Isekela likangqongqotjhe wezepilo uDorh Sibongiseni Dlomo uthi abanye babasebenzi bezepilo kufanele babekwe umlandu ngokuthi abomma abasebatjha barhulule umbungu emsithelweni. uDorh Dhlomo bekakhuluma ejimeli lokuyelelisa ilutjha ngobungozi bokurhulula umbungu ngokungemthetho. uDorh Dhlomo uthi abasebenzi bezepilo kufanele batjhugulule ngendlela abaziphethe ngayo, bavumela abomma abasebatjha ukuthi barhulule umbungu nangabe bafisa ukwenza lokho.
Umthetho wokurhulula umbungu wathoma ngomnyaka ka-1996 uvumela abomma abasidisi ukufikela emvekeni ezili-12 bona bangarhulula umbungu. Nanyana kunjalo abomma abanengi kubabantu abatjha basafaka ipilo yabo engozini ngokurhulula umbungu endaweni ezingasisemthethweni. Kanti bathi isizathu sokwenza njalo kusaba ukwahlulelwa nokungaphathwa kuhle basebenzi bezepilo. Ugidinga inyanga yabomma isekela likangqongqotjhe wezepilo lidose phambili imatshi yokuyelelisa abantu abatjha ngobungozi bokurhulula umbungu endaweni ezingasisemthethweni.
We need to create youth zones, but youth zones must go with some confidentiality. So when they actually have a concept, but you don't create an environment that is conducive, we need to make sure that young people can either enter through that other door or this door or be taken to a separate room.
I-Soul City Institute ekuyihlangano yabomma ibethe emagameni kangqongqotjhe.
I think the Deputy Minister, as the champion of this, it's within his department for him to take legal action against those who don't provide the service in the way that they should.
Abantu abatsha bavele enkolweni ezahlukahlukene eGauteng nabo bazibandakanye ematshini le bebasusa amaphepha akhangisa indawo zokurhulula umbungu ezingasemthethweni endleleni. Bagandelele ukuqakatheka kwamahlelo afana nalama.
They can bleed a lot and also they can mainly it can be fatal for them.
There's no shame in choosing that you're not ready to have a child.
When you go to the clinics, public clinics, you don't have to pay. You just go there and they'll do abortion.
uDlomo uthi uzokuqinisekisa ukulwisana nokurhulula umbungu ngokungemthetho ngokusebenzisana nabomthetho bona babophe laba bathindekako.